Video. Okay. I'm sliding that thing on my phone and it keeps taking a picture instead of. I got 20 pictures right now. No video. I gotta go close up the chickens. You want to go close up the chickens? There might be something in here. There's found a couple dead chickens in here a couple days ago. And I think it's yeah. Yep, I bet there's something in here. Look at them, they're all scared over there in the corner. You see them? Normally they're all over these bunks. But I bet you there's some kind of a weasel in here or something, I think. I don't know that we've caught him yet. But I got the live traps out. Nope, nothing in that one. And nothing in that one. So there's a live trap right under that. But I can't see, it's too dark. It's a big chicken shed, huh? You guys have never seen a chicken house? Because I never had a camera I could carry around with me. And now you might be going everywhere with me, huh? Alright, girls. Anybody lay an egg? Yeah, there's one. We'll take that before it freezes. See that little mouse right there? Anybody else lay an egg? Here's where they get all scared. Watch this. Don't freak out. Oh, there's a couple more eggs. There we go. They always get freaked out when I go over there. When they're there at night. Put the eggs in my pocket. Bust my camera. Shut. Bust an egg in my pocket. Gotta get this camera locked down. It keeps moving on there. Chicken house. We're good to go. Can you see anything? Eat. I'm not going to film that.